Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing and freezing issue with lost in random game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have Nvidia, go to Nvidia website. If you have AMD, go to AMD website. So I'm showing for Nvidia. Go to Nvidia website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card and then select the right operating system over here. Then click on search. Then you will see the download option. So click on download. Then again click on download, and once the download is complete, run the exe file, and then you will see this screen. So click on agree and continue, and then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. And after the clean installation, restart your computer and then try to launch the game. The next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. So if your computer came with dual graphic card, make sure that you are running the game on the dedicated graphic card. For this, go ahead and type in graphics settings in Windows search box, and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, go to the game folder. In my case, I installed the game in D drive. So open the game folder and then select the game exe file, and then click on add. And once the game is added over here, click on options, then select high performance, and then click on save, and then try to launch the game. The next step is to run the game as an administrator. So for this, go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, go to that drive and then open the game folder. So open lost in random folder, then make a right click on the game exe file, then select properties once you make a right click, and then go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, OK, and then try to launch the game from here. So make a double click on this exe file and try to launch the game from here. Now the next step is to disconnect all the external devices which you're not using on the computer. So disconnect all the external devices, external hard drive, flash drive, go ahead and disconnect it and then try to launch the game. The next step is to change the process priority to the real time in task manager. So you have to first of all go ahead and launch the game. Now when the game is running, you can go ahead and press Alt tab and then open task manager. So make a right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager, or you can make a right click on the start menu, then open task manager, and then go to the details tab, scroll down. Now over here you can see lost in random exe. Make a right click, then select priority, click on set priority, and then select real time, and then click on change priority, and then continue playing the game. The next step is to allow the game exe file to an antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus installed on your computer, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. In case if you're using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on the click on the settings icon, and then go to update and security, and then click on Windows security, and then click on virus and threat protection, and then scroll down. Over here you can see ransomware protection. Click on manage ransomware protection, and then click on allow an app through control folder access, then click on yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder and open the game folder, and then select the game exe file over here, then click on open. Now once the game is added over here, you can go ahead and try to launch the game. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft websites. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17 and 19. You have to install both x86 and x64 versions. So click on both the exe file, and once the download is complete, run both the exe file. Now over here you will see repair or install options. So click on repair or install whatever you see. Run both the exe file. Click on repair or install whatever you see, and let the installation complete. Do not click on restart now. Over here you will see the restart option once the installation is complete. Do not click on restart. Once both the installation is complete, you can click on restart, or you can simply close these windows and then go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart, try to launch the game. The next step is to disable overlay in Origin or Steam. So if you bought the game from Origin, go to Origin, go to library, and then click on the game, then click on settings. Now go to game properties. Now uncheck the box which says enable origin in game for lost in random. Uncheck this, then click on save and then try to launch the game. You can also go to origin application settings and then go to origin in game, and if this is on, you have to go ahead and turn this off. Now for Steam users, if you bought the game from Steam, go to Steam, then click on settings and then go to in-game and then uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Also go to cloud and uncheck the box which says enable Steam cloud synchronization, then click on OK. And Steam, also go to library, then click on the game and then go to settings, click on properties and go to cloud saves and then uncheck. If this is checked, go ahead and uncheck this, click on save and then try to launch the game. Now also close all the overlay applications. So if you have any other overlay application running on the computer, go ahead and close it. So if you have Discord running on the computer, go ahead and close Discord. Now in case if you have GeForce Experience running on the computer, go ahead and close GeForce Experience. Also close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running on the computer, go ahead and close MSI Afterburner. Now in case if you have Reverb Tuner running on the computer, go ahead and close Reverb Tuner. Also, so just go ahead and close all the overclocking application on the computer. Also perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, type in system configuration in Windows search box, then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all. In my case, disable all is grayed out because I already did it. So once you put a check over here, in your case disable all will be highlighted. So click on it, then click on apply, OK, and then you will see the restart option. So restart the computer and then try to launch the game. Close all the background applications. So make sure only the game and the game client is running. So if you bought the game from Steam, so make sure only Steam and the game is running. If you bought the game from Origin, make sure only the Origin and the game is running. Rest you can go ahead and close all the application including all the browser. And you can also go to settings and then in the search box you can go ahead and type in background apps and then click on background apps, and then if this is on, go ahead and turn this off and then try to launch the game. The next step is to update Windows to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security and then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart the computer and then try to launch the game. So make sure your Windows is up to date, and if nothing is working, you can go ahead and repair the game in Origin or Steam. So for this, for Origin user, go to library, click on the game, then click on settings icon, then click on repair option. Once the repair is done, you can go ahead and try to launch the game. For Steam users, just make a right click on lost in random game, and once you make a right click, select properties, go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification, try to launch the game. Now also turn off VSync and try to lower down the game resolution. So this will go ahead and improve the performance. So go ahead and first launch the game. Now after you launch the game, go to options and then click on display, and if the VSync is on, you can go ahead and turn this off, and you can go ahead and try to lower down the resolution. So if it is set to maximum, you can go ahead and try to lower down the resolution and check which resolution is working fine for you. And once you apply the resolution, once you make changes, click on apply or press the V key on the keyboard and then click on yes, and then you can go ahead and try to launch the game once again. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the game. So for this, go to your library and then make a right click on the game and then click on uninstall, and after the uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, restart your computer and then reinstall the game once again. And so one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.